So I thrifted this really cute Coach station bag and then I got grease on it and I couldn't get it out, so I decided to upcycle it. So of course we had to do a pop of color. I love coral, and so I decided to use this acrylic leather paint. And I was pretty much winging it at this point. When I saw it like this, I actually thought I was going to do a flamingo design. But then I decided to stay true to my heart, and I'm a leopard girl. So I ended up going with this leopard design instead. So I'm going in with this black leather acrylic paint and just making my squiggles all over. And then I also got this color called Bone. I didn't want it to be like a really stark white, so it's a little bit more, I guess, muted. And maybe like a creamy undertone. And then I filled in all the little squiggle spots. I don't know the right terminology here. The brand name was Angelus or Angelus, and I found the paint really easy to work with, and I do find it quick drying, but not to the point that you feel challenged when you are painting. It's like a nice speed, if that makes sense. And this is the overall look. I love it so much. And honestly, it was such a reminder that what might seem like a mistake in the moment is just an opportunity. I love it even more than the original look now because it's personalized. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.